Hello friends, now we see the problem number 3, which is a based on substitution method of chapter limits. The problem number 3 is a limit extends to a cos x minus cos a whole thing divided by root x minus root a. Now let's see the solution. L is equal to limit extends to a cos x minus cos a upon root x minus root a. Now in this case, the denominator contains a radical part. It means first of all, we have to rationalize the denominator. So on rationalizing denominator, we get is equal to limit extends to a cos x minus cos a in the numerator upon root x minus root a into rationalizing term that root x plus root a in the denominator, and we write same term that root x plus root a in the numerator. So on simplifying further, we get limit extends to a cos x minus cos a, then root x plus root a in the numerator we write as it is. Then denominator is of the type a minus b and a plus b, which gives us a square minus b square. So present case, we have a root x the whole square minus a root a the whole square in the denominator. So that equal to limit extends to a cos x minus cos a into root x plus root a in the numerator, that two brackets we write as it is, and in the denominator we have root x the whole square that gives x minus root a the whole square that gives a. Now here we put the limit as x tends to a, we get cos a minus cos a into root a plus root a whole thing divided by a minus a. So on further simplifying, now cos a minus cos a gives 0, 0 multiplied by root a plus root a, so that gives totally 0 in the numerator, upon a minus a that gives 0 in the denominator, so this is of the form 0 by 0. It means in this case also we have to use the substitution method. So now here we put x is equal to limit, that is a plus h, as x tends to a comma h tends to 0. So the next step will be L is equal to limit h tends to 0 cos, in bracket for x we write a plus h, then minus cos a, first bracket complete. Now second bracket, that square root of a plus h plus root a, and then totally divide by a plus h minus a. Now here we cancel minus a plus a in the denominator. So the next step will be is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now in first bracket we apply formula cos c minus cos d. So that gives minus 2 sine c means a plus h plus d means a upon 2 in the first bracket into sine c means a plus h minus d means a upon 2 in the second bracket and then into square root of a plus h plus a root a in the second bracket and whole thing divided by h in the denominator. Now here the minus 2 is a constant term, so we take outside the limit. So minus 2 into limit h tends to 0 sine of, now a plus a gives 2a plus h upon 2 as a one limit into, now here in second bracket minus a plus a cancel. So we left with limit h tends to 0. We have sine of h by 2. And in denominator we have only the term h, so which can be written as h by 2 to get rule, and into we write 1 by 2 into we write limit h tends to 0 square root of a plus h plus root a in the third bracket. So that equal to minus 2 into, now whenever h we put 0, so we have sine in bracket 2a plus 0 upon 2 into, now limit h tends to 0 sine of h by 2 upon h by 2, that gives 1 by rule into 1 by 2 into, now in the third bracket we have to substitute h is equal to 0. So we have square root of a plus 0 plus square root of a in the third bracket. So that equal to, now we are cancel with 2 from numerator denominator, and also we cancel sine inside the bracket 2 from numerator denominator. So we left with minus sine of a into 1 into root a plus root a, that gives 2 times root a. So that equal to, finally we get minus 2 root a into sine a. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.